Dear students, I'm your math teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, yesterday I have explained about multiplication of decimals, and today we will continue our next topic, division of decimals. As like the multiplication of decimal, there are also three types of division of decimal. First is division of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000. I'm sharing here some examples. For example, 12.75 divided by 10. Beta, when you divide a decimal with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, these types of numbers, the point or the decimal will shift toward backward position. Okay, understood? Or you can say the point will shift to the left hand side. Okay, whatever the zeros there, look here is a 1 0 in the 10. So your point will shift one position toward left. Means from here your point will come here and your answer will be 1.275. Understood? So in decimal, point will shift backward. Point will shift backward, means it is the converse of multiplication of decimal with 10, 100, 1000. Because in multiplication, point will be shifting forward, but in case of division of decimal, the point will shift in backward, or you can say point will shift toward left hand side. Understood? Whatever are the zeros, according to the number of 0, point will shift the position toward left. For example, second example is 127.125.7 divided by 1000. Now look here, beta, it is divided by 1000, means 125.7 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 3. So point will shift 3 position toward left. Look, 1, 2, 3. Your point will come here and your answer will be 0.1257. Understood, beta? And next example, 0.58 divided by 10. Look here, beta, how many zeros? 1 0. So point will shift one position toward left. It will come here and your answer will be 0.058. Understood, beta? And any other? One more example I want to discuss. 3.52 divided by 100. Now beta, how many zeros? 2 zeros are there. So point will shift 2 position toward left. Look here, 1. When point will jump 1 position, then no digit is there. Okay, look. When it shift 1 position, no digit is there. So put point will shift 2 position. When it shifts 1 position toward left, no digit is there. Then place a 0 ahead. Then it will jump second position and it will come here. Your answer is 0.0352. Understood, beta? Means converse. You have to move in division of multiplication as in division of decimals as converse of multiplication of decimal. Okay? In multiplication, points will move in forward direction, but division is converse. Point will move in backward direction. Count the number of zero, whatever are the zeros, that position point will move toward left. Look here, if 1 0 is there, point will shift one position. Now in that 3 zeros are there, point will shift 3 position, 1 2 3, it will come here. This is your answer. And here look, again 1 0 is there, point will shift toward left one position, it will jump one position from here, and your answer is 0.058. okay. And similarly in the last 3.52 divided by 100, now 2 zeros are there, it will shift toward left 2 position. When it shifts one position, no digit is there, then you can put a 0 ahead, okay, if no digit is there. So your final answer is 0.0352. Understood beta? I hope you can easily solve these types of problem. Yes student, your next sum means second type division of decimals, means divide a decimal by a whole number. We want to divide a decimal by a whole number except the number 10, 100, 1000, because we have discussed it in first type. For example, now when we want to divide a decimal with a whole number, how we will move in the sum? I want to discuss one example, 93.45. I want to divide it by 15. Now I want to divide it by 15 beta. So simply divide 93.45 with 15. Look, 15 6 are 90. Now here beta 3. Now next is a point. So in the quotient you will place a decimal here. Whenever the point is here, similarly in the quotient you can put a point here. Okay. Now next digit is 4. Now 15 2s are 30. And last digit come down 5. 15 3s are 45. Okay. So our answer is beta 6.23. Okay. Understood? Yes, beta, I want to discuss one more example, one more sum of that type. Exercise 3.3, fourth question, second part is this. 217.44 divided by 18. I want to divide 217.44 with 18. Understood beta? Now look, simply divide, you know how to divide. 18 1 is 18. Now subtraction 3, next digit is 7. 18 2s are 36. 7 minus 6 1. Now look here beta, next is, before the next digit there is a decimal. So in the quotient you will place a decimal here. Then you can put next digit down. Not before placing the point in the quotient, you can't put the next digit down. Okay, firstly place the point. When point will come here, you will place a point in the quotient, then put the next digit down. Understood beta? Now look, 14. 14 is smaller than 18. So it will be on 0. 14, 18 zeros are 0. Okay beta? This is 1, 4. Then put next digit down. Okay? Understood? You know how to divide. So 18, now it will goes on 8. 18 8s are 144. Okay beta, your remainder is 0. So here your answer is 12.08. Understood beta? You know very well, you know how to divide simple number. Okay, because you have discussed the division in the lower classes. Okay, simply whenever decimal come here, put the decimal in the quotient, then move ahead. Understood, beta? I hope these types of problems you will solve easily. Yes, beta, in division, last types of sum are divide a decimal by decimal. Means when both numbers are in decimal. Okay, for example, I want to divide 3.28 by 0.4. Beta, when both the numbers are in decimals, then beta what to do? Firstly, change the decimal into fraction. Look here, 3.28. Remove the decimal, place the zeros here. Now beta, when I remove the decimal from here, place the number of zeros according to position of the decimal places. According to number of decimal places. How many decimal places are here? 1, 2. So simply place 2 0 with 1. Means it will become 328 upon 100 and divide it by 0.4. Here it is 0.4. So 4, it will become 4 upon 10. Because here is only one decimal place. So place a 1 0 with 10, means you will place here a 10. It will become 4 upon 10. First of all, beta, change decimal into fraction. Okay. When both numbers are decimal, change decimal into fraction, then divide. Okay. I hope you can easily change decimal into fraction. Now beta, here look here again, I am explaining 3.28. Place 328 as it is and count the number of decimal places. 1, 2. 2 decimal places. So we will put 2 0 with 1. Okay. Means it will become 328 upon 100. And similarly here we have 4. 4 upon, count the number of decimal places. How many decimal places? 1. So put 1 0 with 1 0 with 1, means we will play, it will become 4 upon 10. Now this is the sum of division of decimals. You know very well. Sorry, this is the sum of, it will become now division of fractions. Okay. Now beta, you know how to divide a fraction because I have explained in the previous videos. 328 divided by 100. Now division will change into multiply, and here you will write the reciprocal of that fraction. Reciprocal of 4 upon 10, it will become 10 upon 4. Understood beta? Now 0 is cancelled with 0 and 328 cancel with 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 2s are 8. Okay, so it become 82 upon 10. Now we will leave one digit from the last because here is only 1 0. Leave one digit from the last and place a decimal. It will become 8.2. This is your answer. Understood beta? In that way, you can divide a decimal by decimal. Clear? Yes beta, these are the problems of exercise 3.3. You have to try these problems by yourself. I have explained all type of division of decimals. You have to solve these by yourself. Look here beta, in first question, divide 142.45 by 10. In every question you have to divide the decimal by 10. Means your point only one zero is there, your point will shift one place toward left, means one place backward. Okay, so that will be your answer. Like here it will shift one place, it will come here, so your answer will be 14.245. Similarly here in second question, in all sum you have to divide decimal with 100, mean your point will shift how many position? 2 zeros are there, your point will shift 2 position, 1 2, it will come here. Okay, and in third question beta, you have to divide decimal with 1000, mean 3 zeros are there, your point will shift 3 position, from here it will come 1 2 3, it will come here. Okay, and similarly you will proceed in other parts. And in fourth question beta, divide decimal by whole number, means second type of problem. Understood beta? Simply you will divide 0.45 by 9, then 217.44 by 18. In similarly you will proceed in other parts. Clear beta?